Okay, hi all. Okay, let us discuss a case study today in the subject signals and systems. So before going into the case study, so you need to know what is a signal and what is a system. Okay, signal is nothing but in a physical quantity which represents some information. Okay, it can be a time dependent or a space dependent or any other independent variable. So it is used to represent some information. Okay, there are different types of signals like analog signals and digital signals basically. So analog signal is nothing but it's a continuous amplitude, continuous time signal. So for each and every instant of time, you will be having an amplitude in the continuous signal. Whereas in your digital signal, you will be having only values for discrete time intervals. There are several other types of signals also. So next one is system. So system is nothing but a device, or say it is a software or any other hardware, or it can be a black box. So where you will be giving the signal as the input and you will be getting the output, right? So your system will perform some operation on your input signal and it will produce an output signal. So that processing is happening in your system. So this is what your signals and systems. So there are several types of signals and several types of systems. So today, these signals and systems are used in many applications, like say in communication field, say in imaging field, say image compression, all those things. It's also used in medical field as well as in automation systems. Everywhere, in each and every field, without a signal and a system, you cannot perform the operations. So today we will see a case study on signals and systems in home automation systems, how it is helpful. Signals and systems are helpful in home automation systems. Okay, so I'll give you a few minutes for discussion among yourselves, so you can discuss and then we can share the points with each other. So you can start your discussion. Okay, I think you would have discussed among yourselves, so we can start the share the points with each other. So who is going to start first?
So let me give a brief intro of the today's topic, which is signals and systems in smart home appliances. So with the help of the smart home appliances, we can reduce the time we consumption. It is very useful because it's mostly the things are doing itself. So we have less workload. Because of that, we can save more time. There will be less human harassing. So in this, there are four type process. First, we need data. Then we have to construct data, so then we have to collect it and process it, and then only we can get the output. So by using it, we are using the signal is nothing but some type of time or information. It is an information. We are giving the information to a system which process and give it as output. So many applications like Alexa, the voice, smart voice, and smart lighting Philips are introducing it. So it is very helpful for us.
So I am going to say about the applications of. First of all, we know as usual sensors. Sensors first contains multiple analog factors like temperature, light, which is converted into digital for signals uses. The next one is signal processing, where the signal is filtered in a specific frequency range. The next application is control systems. Here the output is decided according to the input. For example, smart we can take the smart light when it detects the movements and the temperature to operate by itself. So and the next one is voice recognition system. As Karthi said, example, the Amazon's device Alexa, it recognizes our audio frequency, filters it, and responds according to it.
So I'm here going to share about the technical aspects involved in signal systems in a modern home automation. For example, quantization, rounding off, sampling, Fourier transform, Z transform, and various transforms are involved in signal processing. So it helps the product to work functionally as well as more reliable to according to the users. And what are the applications that is used in home automation means, for example, an night setting alarm which detects the motion in night time according to the night sensor. So it immediately recognize the motion and sends alarm to the user. So by this we can signals helps a crucial role in modern home automation.
And the challenges of this home automation using signals and system is the first challenge is that is not really privacy is and the data privacy is not much, and the noise signal noise and interference is high, and also the data we use is not in the complex integration, so it creates some challenges in the areas. And the future scope for this is in by using this in the AI enhanced systems, and also in the real time applications using complex integration using edge computing.
I like to conclude this section by the friends has been shared their points. By observing that we can define that the systems and signals are the backbones of smart home applications and technologies, and by engaging the signaling and decision makings and controls, we can engage into modern life technologies.
Thank you for sharing your points. As you said, in home automation systems, the first thing you need is the data. So for data, you're going to use sensors. So the sensors will sense the data where here comes the role of the signal. And then after you are collecting the data, you're going to process the data based on your requirement. So for processing the data, you're going to use some sort of system, say it may be hardware or any other software. So that system plays a very important role in home automation systems. And in home automation itself, you have many other applications like say automatic alarm, automatic door, say automatic light, fan, etc. So each and everywhere you need the signal, and you are going to process the signal, and then you are getting the required output. Then you will be operating it using a wireless manner. So these data will be transmitted to you in your mobile phones or somewhere. So you're going to operate it using your mobile phone. So wireless signals also play a very important role here, apart from wired signals also. Okay, so signals and systems is very important in each and every application. So, okay, thank you for sharing your points.